Morning. I think we might be live. I'm not sure. It says that it's not live yet, but and then in one section and then the other section says that it's live. So I don't know. We're live. Just gonna go with it. So this morning we are at all-time highs on the market. So I just kind of want to show you real quick here. Thinkorswim has actually been down the last 2 days, so it's kind of weird, but and it's still really slow. Okay, so you can see right here. Oh, actually, okay. So we haven't quite hit the high here on the E-mini. You can see on the actual SPY, the SPY, we actually already did hit that high. Just barely, but we did actually pass above that. It's weird that it hasn't over here yet because these two are more or less the same thing. Okay, so anyways, yeah, even though the market's just going up and away, I've been getting just absolutely destroyed. Like, just been getting beat down on a daily basis. You know, because, it's a kind of sketchy market. Yes, the market is at all time highs, but it's also a big old smoke and mirrors. This whole thing, all of this right here, it's real, but it's fake. It's so fake. Like all of that. It's just not even real. And we can look and see kind of why that is. It's because stuff like this. It's gonna be delaying real slow. Because there's Apple. Look at that. Since coronavirus, it's up like over 100%. We got Amazon since coronavirus up over 100%. We have Tesla since coronavirus up nearly 700% nearly, so or more. I don't know. It's up several 100%. We'll just put it that way. So, but why? Why? Because of the coronavirus is now everything deciding to go up. Well, it's because the feds are printing money. All these companies are getting a ton of money. So the banks are pumping these stocks up so they can do their little reverse split, and basically screw everybody over. And it's kind of messed up the way they're doing this because this isn't a real market move right here. That's not a natural thing. It's not real investors. It's Wall Street and the banks literally scamming everyone. They're just straight scamming everyone right in our faces, and nothing will ever happen to them. They will just get away with it. Everything will all be good. They have no worries, and it's pretty messed up that we live in a situation like that. At times it kind of makes me discouraged, in the market. But at the same time, the money's here regardless. Even if it is a scam, the money is here. I'm not saying the stock market itself is a scam, but I'm saying the people who are running it, they're scammers, and that's a fact. Um, you know, so yeah, gets me angry just thinking about it. To be honest with you, we can go to companies like Zoom, like it's just ridiculous. $61 coronavirus, bam, 281. Like, okay, and it's not because Zoom's just a really great company. It's because Wall Street and the banks are pumping this up so that once the retail investors start buying, they dump it. They just steal everyone's money, and it's messed up. But the SEC works for them. They don't work for us. The SEC is not here to protect me or you or anyone watching this video or any retail investor buying any of these stocks. They don't give a crap. And I'm going to tell you that right now. They don't give a crap. They'll pretend like it, whatever. They say they'll do an investigation. But that investigation is for the big banks' benefit, not ours. So just want to make that very clear. The SEC they need deconstructed and reinvented because it's disgusting what they do. So yeah, that's Zoom. Oh, Wayfair, the company that was accused of selling children. Of course, around this time is when that accusation took place. And yeah, look at it now. $21 to 324. So, over 1,000%. No big deal. This company is, whatever. Good morning, Sarth. I'm just over here venting and I'm angry right now. I'm just angry at just the way this all looks. Markets at all-time highs. They got all their little scam stocks way up. But real companies that should have value are going down. You know, like it's crazy to me. Companies that should be going up aren't. Why? Because they should be. And this isn't about what should be. This is about what they are going to make happen. So the big boys are just scamming everyone. SEC is just with it. I'm just mad. Like, I hate to see the market at all-time highs like this, and really nothing except for a handful of stocks are even up. And those are the same stocks that have been up every single day ever since the coronavirus, and it's really dumb, and it's not real, and it's just very frustrating to me. Apple, I can see Tesla, I can see, but I mean, just everything. Like, even Microsoft is up almost 100%. Do y'all have any idea how huge that is? Like, with the amount of shares that Microsoft has in circulation, for their shares to be at $200 a piece, that's just crazy. And same with Apple, 2 trillion market cap nearly. Like, well, 2020 is the worst year for your average citizen, but for the big boys, 2020 is the best year of their lives because they're literally just stealing from everyone in massive rates. That's what all this is. Like, you see this huge sell-off right here? What that was them making the market drop. Everybody panicked. So then Wall Street's just been like slowly leading the price up, and watch here soon, probably get up into here, and we're going to see another drop as they start to do that same thing. And they're making billions and billions of dollars off of messing with people's minds, because that's what they're doing. And then we have like these analysts. Jim Cramer, he's a piece of crap. I hate that guy. If I ever seen Jim Cramer in real life, I would literally risk going to prison to put my hands around his neck and just squeeze. And I'm just saying that, being real. I would squeeze that guy's until his eyes popped out of his head, and then I'd slap the crap out of him because he's such a liar, such a piece of crap. He's sitting here telling people to buy Tesla at record. I just hate that guy. Every day he's like, oh no, don't buy this stock. Companies that you actually should be buying. He's like, no, don't buy that, don't buy that. Instead, you should go over here and buy this. That way I can dump my shares on you. So he made a mistake a while back, and he was talking about, he openly admitted that naked short selling is a thing, which I don't know if you know anything about naked short selling, but it's a very nasty tactic that these rich people can do that should be very illegal. Supposedly it is illegal, but they can't really prove that it happens. So basically, naked short selling is where they sell invisible shares that don't even exist of a company. Like, for example, this stock that I owned a while back, the same situation happened. I bought this stock in March. I only bought 20 shares, but I bought it. And then the next day, they halted the stock. It turns out there was a share float of about 3 million shares. But somehow that day, there were over 30 million shares to the short side. Now, that should have been impossible considering that day there was only access to a little over 2 million shares. So how did 30 million shares become shorted? Well, they were using naked shorts. So the SEC shut it down, supposedly to investigate. Well, what happened? The company itself got in trouble, but the people who done the naked short selling, nothing ever happened. Nothing was ever mentioned of it. They said it was completely normal, and I couldn't trade my stock for about 4 months. They halted the trading of the stock for 4 months, and then nobody, like, they didn't even do anything. You know, they probably got paid for it. I'm sure. I don't know, but anyways, it's just frustrating to me. The market should not be at all-time highs right now. It's a complete load of crap. Anybody that's buying right now, I feel like it's very, very unwise to be like, no. Like, they're telling you, oh, be bullish. Bullish, bullish, bullish. We're so bullish. Yeah. Yeah, okay. I'm not bullish. I don't see any reason to be bullish. But they want us to think that because they want us to look at these charts and be like, oh my gosh, everything's so great. Everything's awesome. Yes. We don't have, it's not like there's people rioting and destroying our cities or anything. You know, it's not like there's a national pandemic happening. It's not like we have corrupt political leaders trying to get into office. Hillary Clinton openly saying that she's going to work in our government. Yeah, right. But instead, what do we see? All-time highs. All-time highs ever. The highest the market has ever been in history. Right here. You absolutely right, Sarth. They do hire fools. And they hire pumpers, people to go up on these stock boards and everything to tell people, buy this, buy that, buy. You know, they're just like all these stupid analysts. They're like, yes, this stock can go up forever. It will never go down. It's going to go to $1 million a share. You know, like stocks are like Zoom or Wayfair. You know, they put $400 and $500 price targets on Wayfair. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? $21 a share. Okay. I'd never even heard of this company at this point. Most people haven't. They had a decent earnings because they sell way overvalued items. But what? I just don't get it. A $400 price why didn't they have a $400 price target on it back here? You know? Oh, so now all of a sudden everybody wants their shitty little cabinets? I don't understand. But like you said, they hire fools, so we're not really meant to understand it. It's just very frustrating to me, and I just needed to vent about that. I was just sitting here looking at everything, and like, I mean, don't get me wrong. It's not like I want the market to crash and everybody to lose money or anything, but I would just like to see it be realistic. Like, I just know how many people are getting scammed right now. People are buying these stocks, you know, thinking that they're just going to forever go up. You know, I seen one yesterday. They're saying, oh, the best investment you could do right now would be banking sector. Invest in banks. And I'm like, dude, no. I'm surprised they haven't been pumping the banks up, but they're trying to get everybody to now, so that's probably about to start happening because I've been seeing articles trying to get people to buy banking stocks. So the banks are probably, you know, tired of pumping everybody else's stock up. Now they want some of the action on their own. Anyway, Sars, how are you doing today? I've been just over here throwing fire. Yes. Now that I absolutely agree with. There's going to be another one. I don't know if it'll be quite as big. Maybe. I don't know. I don't really know what to expect, but I definitely agree that this is not sustainable. Like, the SPY is going to come back under the 300 mark. Guaranteed. Like, there's just no way that this type of move is healthy for anything. So, no, I definitely agree, and that's why, like, I'm getting beat down on it right now, but that's why I have these treasury bonds right here. Like, if we look at, this isn't the one I have, this is TLT, but, so this is pre-coronavirus, like, right at the beginning. You can see it started rising. Oh, actually, right around here. I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong date. So right around here is when the coronavirus really started getting crazy, and it just popped. Boom. Real crazy. Okay, so same thing here. You know, it popped. You know, right around that same time, around March 2nd. So, that being said, I'm expecting this to have another pop up. So hopefully it'll be just as significant. If so, you know, I'll make a really good amount of money. But you know, it's just that the treasury bonds are supposed to be where people go during uncertainty. So we'll see if that holds true. But right now I'm getting beat down on all my positions. I'm down nearly $700 right now. You can see, like, yeah, nearly $700 altogether. Oh, okay, okay. I will fix that. So the Discord channel that we had a long time ago, somehow it got deleted. I'm not exactly sure what happened. Uh, but yeah, I actually lost that channel, so I have to make a new one, and I will post an updated link. Thank you for telling me about that. I didn't even realize. But yeah, the Discord got removed, and yeah, I've been wanting to get it back going, so we'll go ahead and do that real quick. I'm on Discord. Yeah. I don't even know if I clicked on it the first time. Alright. Go ahead and try and get signed in here. I'll try and create the new Discord today, and I'll try and get the link posted, you know, at some point today or tomorrow. Were you in on the on our old Discord back in 2018? My computer is just kind of responding a little slow right now because I got so much open. I don't remember my Discord information exactly. Let's see if I can figure it out though. Okay, that's the wrong account again. Crap. I really don't remember what email I used. I have multiple Discord accounts and I don't remember. Shit. Oh, this is gonna be a headache. Now I gotta remember my old email. Dang it. Okay. Yeah, I haven't really got around to making the crypto video yet. I've been kind of starting my research on it. But the last couple of days, I've actually been a little bit busy. My ex-girlfriend got in contact with me, so I've been spending time with her. Alright. Oh man. I don't remember my password. Oh crap. Well, Sarth, let me open up a chart and just take a look at it here. Honestly, I'm just, it's hard to say because just the way that everything's going right now, I feel like it's not gonna go too low, but I don't know. Okay, so we dropped under 12. I want to look at it on the long chart here. Let me figure this. Trying to increase the time span here. Honestly, though, I think it's kind of like what my friend said. We were talking about it the other day. Me and Joselo, we were talking about it, and while he would like to see a drop down to 6,500 again, me and him both agreed that that's probably not likely. Um, we're both thinking that Bitcoin will be, at least 15,000 by the end of the year. Um, so that being said, I think we might see Bitcoin maybe drop back down to 11,000, maybe even 10, a little under 11. But I don't think that we'll see anything too crazy because of the current situation and everything going on. Um, I feel like a lot of people might be investing into crypto right now just to avoid, inflation and other stuff like that with the government printing so much money and possibly about to send out more stimulus. A lot of people are going to be investing into the coin. So hopefully that it'll hold its value pretty well. Um, we'll have to see. So Bitcoin's been kind of following the market though. So we just need to see if it really breaks from the market. Not it hasn't been precisely following yet, but somewhat. Um, but yeah, I hate to say exactly though because none of us know exactly what's going to happen. All we can do is guess and make our estimations and all that. But I personally don't think that it'll go under 10,000 for sure. At least not at this point. Things can change, but I'm expecting that we will start to come back up though, and see 15,000 probably within the next 2 months or so. That's my guess. I'm saying that we're not going to go down very much, and that we'll actually end up going up over the next 2 months. So, I mean, it's pretty much it. Okay, I gotta try and remember this password real quick. Just give me just a minute. I can't believe I done this. Oh, good. I got it. Oh man. Okay, so now I just gotta reset. Discord reset password. Okay, yeah, this is the right account. Awesome. Yeah, yeah, I think it could go to 10K, but I don't really see it going under that. Not for the time being, anyways. Because I really do feel like it's gonna pump up to at least 15,000. Like I don't agree with a lot of the people that are saying that Bitcoin's gonna go to like 50,000 anytime soon. I mean, I'm not saying it's not gonna happen, but I feel like it's pretty unlikely. Uh, so that being said, I think that maybe we'll see like 15,000 this year, and then maybe a sell off, and then into next year, maybe I don't know. I hate to make assumptions like this, because I remember back in Dogecoin, whenever back in 2018, whenever Dogecoin was just every day it was going up by 20-30%, and I was making videos about it, and I was buying Dogecoin, and everybody was buying Dogecoin. Everybody was asking me, what my price targets were and stuff like that, and I was telling them, and I was trying to be realistic, and I was like, well, I could see Dogecoin going up to maybe 1.7 cents. Dogecoin never actually got there, and I felt really bad because since I was saying that, a lot of people were still buying Dogecoin even at the top. And I wasn't buying Dogecoin at the top, And I just felt bad because some people didn't have the low cost average that I had, where I was actually making money, they were losing money, and it made me feel really bad. And so I kind of quit doing videos, giving people estimations on what I think things can do, just because I don't want to see anybody lose money, because of something I told them. Okay, I got the Discord account set. Awesome. Okay, let me go ahead and get logged in real quick. All right. Oh, cool. Still got a few of the people. DogePal. Need to get a hold of Tom. He's the guy who started DogePal. Tom Carbon. I haven't talked to old Tom here in a long time. I wonder if DogePal's still up. I'm gonna go check it out. Let's go check out DogePal.com. Nice. Looks good. He's been working on it still. That's good. Oh, I love it. Oh, no way. Does he have an app now? Oh, I gotta get a hold of Tom. I don't know if I remember my password. Oh man. Uh-oh. Oh, from this it will pump to 13.5 to 14, and then yeah, that sounds pretty much along the lines of what I kind of see happening. Yeah, so right now I only have about $120 in crypto at the moment. I just have Dogecoin, and then I have like a few XLM. Oh man. Shit. Wow. Well, I know I had some Dogecoin on here as well. Probably not a whole lot, but dang it. How did I forget my password? I'm gonna go on my laptop real quick and see if I had the information saved. Hopefully. Yeah, so Tom, the guy in the Discord channel here, this guy right here, Tom Carbon, he's the guy who invented this site. So it's pretty cool, you know. If I could log in, I could show you. Just give me just a minute to see if I can get lucky here. Because I'm pretty sure there's no way to reset your password. I don't think that that's something that he's implemented. Oh, nice. Okay, so I do have my password on my laptop, so let me just take a quick little gander here. I thought I tried that. Alright. Yeah, I only got 43 Doge. But anyway, so yeah, this is the site. He's kept it pretty basic, but so yeah, here you can like create an invoice, uh, notifications. So there hasn't been an update in quite a long time from that point of view. Options. Oh, one thing that's cool is you can actually send Dogecoins to people. Where's it at? Maybe he took that feature away. Oh, yeah, see right here, you can just give random Dogecoins to somebody. See, and then you can just boom. Let's see. Huh. Private key. But anyways, yeah, so this is I haven't been on here in a long time. It looks a lot different. I don't really know how to use it. Email me when I get to. Oh, there used to be a way to send 7 digits go. I wonder what that is. Yeah. Yeah, so I want to get a hold of him though and kind of talk to him. I would like to help him, get more people aware of it because I mean it does have its uses. So you can actually implement this onto, like, if you have a website, you could implement DogePal as a payment processor on your website. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, he's designed, like, this is all his design. He didn't just find some website template and use like most of these like drop shipping websites and stuff like that. But he's actually coding all of this himself, so it's pretty neat. Let's go to the community. DogePal. 5 months ago. $800 subscribers. Nice. Paper style wallet. Da-da-da. Anonymous tipping. Email to email payments. In Dogecoin with private messaging. Where's the private messaging? But yeah, it's actually cool. You can come on here and just get free ads. See, you can come on here, dogepal.com. Oh, 100 Doge. So yeah, it's not free, but 100 Doge for 30 days. That's pretty cheap. 100 Doge. That's like not even a few cents. That's like a few cents. Hmm. I feel like some of the features are gone though. Just looking around, and I don't see them. Anyways, so Sarth, where did you say you're from again? Didn't you say you was from a? I feel like you told me, but I can't remember. Oh, got $6 cash. India. Nice. How's things over there? Are things pretty crazy, or are things starting to kind of level out there for you? Um, Here, let me shoot you a link to my Discord real quick. Let me just. I'm gonna add a. I'm just gonna create a server real quick. Just a real basic one. Um, okay, I'm about to shoot you a link to the Discord. All right, there you go. I'm gonna go on the YouTube channel real quick and update that. I'll set up all the channels and stuff like that later. Uh, No, not that. Ah, here we are. I'm gonna add my Instagram. I don't really use it, but I don't use Twitter anymore, so. All right. So what's all these messages? Okay. So what's all this? Oh. Hmm. Oops. Wrong link. I was new. I bought 4 LTC and one. Oh man. Did you sell it, or did you make money, or did you lose money on that? Let me ask you this, Sarth. Do you have a headset? Do you want to jump in a Discord chat? I'd like to talk to you if you're down for that. Did that work? What did that say? Okay. Okay. So I gotta add these people maybe. Right click. Add friend. Okay. Add add friend. Add friend. Add friend. Oh man. Oh, I just got an email. Brave browser. I actually downloaded that, and I checked it out, but I wasn't exactly. I didn't use it a whole lot. I used it for a little bit, and then I just kind of uninstalled it. But it seemed like it was pretty cool. I should have looked into it a little bit more. Let me so let me finish doing this real quick, and then if you want, let me just do this real quick. Actually, we'll wait. Money networking general. All right. $6 per referral. Wow, that's pretty good, huh? So like you okay? Do you want to jump in this voice channel and chat for a minute? Are you able to do that? That way you don't have to actually type. You can just say it. Oh, Batman! Do you have a headset, Sarth? Ah, okay. Sounds good. Well, I'll be on here, so just shoot me a little thing on Discord. I'm gonna go ahead and end the live stream, but I'll still be online on the computer. So whenever you're done, you can just let me know.